minutes.
Gentleman is recognized for 2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise in support of House Resolution 1716. While the Internet offers a multitude of benefits, it can also pose threats such as identity theft and online scams. It's important to raise awareness of these threats and how they can be avoided. Cybersecurity is also critical to our national security. A cyber attack against our nation could cripple our communications, destroy our energy grids, and damage our economy. We must take proactive steps today to prevent and respond to future attacks. I also commend the Air Force for establishing a cyber command. Our nation must be able to defeat any adversary on tomorrow's cyber battlefield. I thank my friend from Florida, Mr. Feeney, for yielding time, and I urge my colleagues to support this resolution.